Hey guys, do you have a problem with your toilet like this? Keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it by changing your toilet refill valve when it's not shutting off, not filling up with water, and has a consistent noise that just won't stop. Let's get started.
The water is really low, so it's supposed to be a little higher, like right around here, but it's low. And as you can see, it's not filling up. This is not working the way it's supposed to work.
We're going to turn the toilet shutoff valve clockwise, but before we do that, let's place a container under the valve. Now we can turn off water to the toilet. If your water won't cut off, you may have to turn off the main water valve in your home. It could be located near your water heater. The next step is to empty the remaining water by lifting the flush valve with your hand. Use a small cup or container to remove water from the tank. If you don't have a large sponge, use an old towel to soak up the last bit of water. We need the tank completely dry because we're going to change the fill valve. In order to take off your water supply line, twist it clockwise until it comes off. Then take the remaining water and pour it into your container. Depending on how old your toilet is, you may have to pull a little hard to get the refill tube off. This refill tube just did not want to come off. It took some time, but eventually it popped off. In order to get the other end off, I used a small knife, made a cut, which enabled me to twist it off. You can use a 10-inch crescent wrench to remove the fill valve lock nut. Now you can pull the fill valve through the hole. Now you can use an old rag to wipe down the other half of the tank. Let me show you where I picked up the new valve. We went to Lowe's to look for a new fill valve. We normally would have picked this standard fill valve, which is excellent, but today we want to try something new. This fill valve is supposed to be quieter and faster. It's easy to check if your fill valve is compatible by the color codes on the side of the box. And at around $14, it's still affordable. We adjusted the float and the length of the new valve to match the old one by pulling the adjustable arm so that the water level in the tank would be the same. When installing your fill valve, remember to point your fill tube towards the flush valve, which is that yellow thing right there. Take the new lock nut and tighten it onto the fill valve adjustable arm. Make sure it's tight so no water will seep to the floor. Now tighten the water supply nut. Turn on both the house and toilet shutoff valves to fill your tank with water. Always test it out to make sure that it's working and there are no water leaks. We hope that you found this video useful. Hit that like button, share it with your family and friends, and know that you can DIY too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next DIY Power Couple video.